Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Transforming old and discarded wood into beautiful shelves and decor pieces is an eco-friendly and budget-conscious way to enhance your living space. Many pieces of wood, once considered waste, hold unique character and rustic charm that can be brought back to life with a little creativity and effort. Upcycling not only reduces waste but also adds a personalized touch to your home decor. The process begins with sourcing suitable wood, which can come from old furniture, pallets, crates, or scrap wood found in construction sites. Before starting, it's important to inspect the wood for nails, rot, or damage, and then clean and sand it thoroughly. This preparation ensures safety and a smooth surface for painting, staining, or sealing. With patience and a creative eye, discarded wood can be transformed into stunning, functional and choosing the right type of wood is crucial for creating durable and attractive shelves and decor pieces. Reclaimed wood such as pallet wood, barn wood, or old furniture panels are popular options due to their rustic charm and sturdy nature. Always inspect the wood for signs of rot, pests, or warping. Hardwoods like oak, maple, or walnut are excellent for sturdy shelves, while softer woods like pine or cedar work well for decorative accents. Consider the thickness and length of the wood to determine its suitability for your project. Thinner pieces are ideal for small decor accents or wall art, while thicker planks provide strength for functional shelving. It's also helpful to choose wood with interesting grain patterns and natural imperfections that preparation is key to transforming discarded wood into stunning decor. Start by removing any nails, staples, or screws with pliers or a nail puller. Next, sand the wood thoroughly to smooth out rough surfaces and remove splinters. Use medium grit sandpaper followed by fine grit to achieve a polished finish. For stubborn stains or old paint, a chemical stripper or sanding block can be used. After sanding, wipe the wood with a damp cloth to remove dust and debris. If desired, you can also treat the wood with a mild bleach solution to lighten dark stains or to achieve a weathered look. Proper preparation not only enhances the appearance but also ensures that paint or stain adheres evenly, resulting in a professional finish. Taking the time to prep your wood sets a solid foundation. Designing is the creative heart of your project. Sketch out your ideas on paper or use digital tools to visualize the final look. Consider the space where the shelves or decor pieces will be placed, and choose designs that complement your interior style: rustic, modern, vintage, or eclectic. For shelves, decide on dimensions, number of tiers, and mounting style. For decor pieces, think about shapes, patterns, and motifs. Incorporate unique features such as live edges, cutouts, or decorative carvings to add interest. Use templates or stencils for precise cuts or intricate designs. Planning your design ensures your project will be functional and aesthetically pleasing. It also helps you estimate materials needed and avoid costly mistakes. Remember, the most stunning pieces often come from simple, Once your design is finalized, cutting and shaping are next. Use a saw, either a hand saw, jigsaw, or circular saw, depending on the complexity of your design. Always wear safety gear, including goggles and gloves. Measure carefully and mark your cuts with a pencil or chalk for accuracy. For decorative edges or curves, a jigsaw provides versatility. Sand the edges after cutting to smooth out any rough or sharp areas. If you're creating multiple pieces, use jigs or guides for consistency. Shaping can also include drilling holes for mounting or adding decorative features like hooks or knobs. Precision in this stage ensures your finished shelves or decor pieces fit perfectly and look professional. Take your time and double-check measurements to avoid mistakes. Proper finishing touches like painting, staining, or sealing enhance the look and longevity of your wood projects. Choose colors and finishes that complement your interior decor. Earth tones for rustic charm, bright hues for modern vibrancy, or natural stains to highlight the wood's grain. Apply primer if painting to ensure even color and better adhesion. For staining, use a brush or rag to evenly distribute the color, wiping off excess for a rich finish. Sealing with a clear polyurethane or wax provides protection against moisture and wear, especially for shelves. Experiment on scrap pieces first to test colors and finishes. Distressing techniques or whitewashing can add a vintage or shabby chic look. Proper finishing not only beautifies your pieces but also extends their lifespan, making them more functional and appealing in your home. Assembly is where your project comes together. For shelves, attach brackets or supports using screws and a drill, ensuring they are level and securely fastened. For decorative pieces, assemble components with wood glue or small nails for a seamless look. Use clamps to hold pieces in place while drying. When mounting shelves on a wall, locate studs with a stud finder for maximum support, and pre-drill holes to prevent splitting. Make sure the brackets or mounting hardware are rated for the weight of your items. Level the shelves carefully before tightening all screws. For decor pieces like wall art or small accents, use appropriate hooks or adhesive strips. Proper assembly and mounting ensure safety, stability, and a professional appearance, transforming your created pieces into functional and eye-catching elements of your decor. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.